Hey, Boo.
Yeah, I've got all of ours.
Insurance card?
What are you doing?
Credit card?
Can you get it?
Card.
Debit card?
Well,
No. You are too cute. You did it. High five, baby. High five.
Money. Just one.
High five. No?
Mama,
Where'd the crown go?
I think I don't have it.
I'll get one.
Credit cards, I have debit cards, I have driver's license, social security card, insurance card, money, pound card. I have your routing and your checking number on that.
No, credit card went on there. Business card.
Here's the crown.
I ain't got one of those.
Me either.
Oh, there's a box of crowns that I hid here. Right here? Oh, never mind. They're empty.
Dad,
Something most people only have time to do on weekends. Laundry.
We got some crowns now, baby.
Housework.
can I use some?
Yeah, you're both gonna use some. Probably, look. Oh, shoot. We're good.
I need a...
Ready?
Yeah,
Is it B-R-O-L-Y or B-R-O-L-L-Y? What? Oh, you want it?
You don't like what I'm doing?
Nope.
Entertainment.